Your kiddo can rock and roll on their next outdoor adventure with these Rockies insulated boots from Kamik Kids. These guys are super sweet. They have a lot of technology to get them ready to roll. They have this sweet upper that is a nylon and faux leather material, so it's very protective. They also have these reflective patches to keep them visible to drivers or anyone else at night. Additionally, I love the lace-up system. It's these bungee laces that can be cinched nice and tight with that toggle closure. Inside, they have a waterproof defense membrane and a heat MX thermal technology, so that's actually going to keep them comfortable even if the temperatures get as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, there is a lot of padding, so it's going to feel super comfy. That pull tab can assist with a very easy entry. Then underneath, they have these self-cleaning tread grippy patches, which are super cool. It's gonna keep them sturdy and give them a lot of stability, even if the terrain is icy, wet, or rugged.